All right, so we're in the playroom in here, and I've got a BTU meter set up right here. I'm gonna turn this guy on, and you can see we are at about 210 BTUs. Now, the film that you have in the piano room is getting this down into 55. This is Clearview Plus 55, which is one of our high performance films. And as you see, even with this film, it's only going down to about 45 with this clearer film. If we go one step darker to Clearview Plus 40, we can get it down to about 40 BTU. That's about as dark as, or as much heat rejection we can go, unless we go with one of these very dark reflective films. This is a one-way mirror. This is a limo tint. It only allows in about 6% of the light. This is blend 17, which is one step above that guy. It's blend 7. So we take this film and put it behind, or